Maayong adlaw Ilonggo. Share ko naman ang bago nga na-discover ko diri sa Iloilo. And guess what? Unlimited steaks, unlimited pasta, unlimited salad, plus a complimentary 1 glass of wine. Well. For today's video, dalon ta kamo sa may U Frappe House Prime diri sa Festive Walk, Iloilo. Yes, you heard it right. Unlimited steaks, pasta, salad, plus 1 free glass of wine for only $999. And take note, iba ini sa mga unlimited nga nakan-an nyo. Cause ang quality sini, daw nag-order ka lang sang a la carte na hindi na-compromise ang quality of serving. Panalo, besh! Syempre, nag-order ako sang pamalakasan na rib eye steak and it's so tender, juicy, and delicious. Uy, nagsaot pa sa And take note, may ara sila galit choices sa ila steaks, pasta, and salad. Kag available ini every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For their promo time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. lunchtime. And for their dinner, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Syempre, mamakot nyo naman kung sa diin siya. U Frappe House Prime Branch, located at Festive Walk Parade, Iloilo Business Park, Mandurriao, Iloilo, beside Carcosa. I have fantastic dining experience here at U Frappe House Prime. Manamit na ang ilang foods, manami man ang ilang place. Instagrammable, worthy gidya. And that's it. And if you like to experience this kind of dining experience together with your loved ones, come and visit U Frappe House Prime at Festive Walk, Iloilo. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!